This is 7.3.3. That's a chapter of CPM book. And I will start the clock. 7-138 is the number of the question. Must be and could be. And Mr. Quincy has some new challenges for you. For each description below, decide what special type of the quadrilateral must be and or what special type of the quadrilateral could be. Look out. Some descriptions may have no must be statement, and some descriptions may have many could be statement. Okay, so let's take a look of A. My quadrilateral has 3 right triangles, so 90 plus 90 plus 90, so leftover is 90. Okay, there must be so there must be rectangle. So should I write down, or maybe you can just write down? So the first one must be is 4 right triangle. So right triangles, 4 right triangles. So could be square, but they didn't say they are all congruent. And of course, you could say they're parallelogram. However, all rectangles are parallelogram, so must be rectangle. So that's the choice. Okay, and okay, so letter B. My quadrilateral has a pair of parallel sides. Okay, so pair of parallel sides, and there are 4 sides, right? So a pair of parallel sides, so it must be opposite sides are parallel. Okay, so it must be parallelogram. Okay, could be rhombus. Rhombus is a parallelogram, but to become a rhombus, it has to be 4 congruent sides. So they didn't specify that. So it could be a rhombus, and it could be rectangular. It could be rectangle because it could be 90 degrees each, like what I said on the question A. And rectangle and 4 sides are congruent, so it could be a square. Okay, but it must be parallelogram. Okay, that's letter B. Letter C. My quadrilateral has 2 consecutive equal angles. So 2 consecutive equal angles has to be, let's see, 90 degree and 90 degree. If 2 consecutive is congruent, third and fourth has to be congruent. There's no, wait, let's see. 2 consecutive equal angles. Oh, okay. Oh, you know, I'm wrong. I thought it could be square, and it could be rectangle, but it could be a trapezoid too. Trapezoids have 2 consecutive sides congruent. So this is very tricky, but there is no must be because trapezoids is one kind, and also rectangle is another kind. Okay, so letter C is very tricky. 2 consecutive equal angles. Okay, so it must be the same side. It can't be. It's 2 different could be statement possible. Okay, we spent 5 minutes. I hope you understand. That's it for this section.